Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's me, Andrew the plumber. So in this video I'd like to talk to you about the old water heater that's not draining. So say we have this old 50-gallon electric water heater and it's just not draining. And most of the time it's electric ones that don't drain. So this is the idea that worked for me in the past. So what I've done is I have this old, I've had this kinetic water ram that you use for draining, for drain cleaning, for like a tub drains or sink drains. And I bought this adapter. Right here that I screwed on the end of it like a little hose, and then I put a little adapter that can connect to the water heater drain. So what I do is I screw it onto here and then I pump it up to like, I don't know, give it like 3 or 4, like probably, no, 5 or 6 pumps. I don't know how many PSI, probably like 5 PSI. And then, obviously you gotta shut off the main water supply, the cold side. And then I open the relief valve. And then once this kinetic water ram is pressurized, I open this valve. And then I just release the pressure and it blows back all the calcium or whatever's plugged in this valve, all the rust back into the tank. It might come out of the relief valve, but at least it will start draining, because sometimes it's impossible to drain the water heater, no water come out. So let me know what you think, guys. If this little tip helped you, I hope you can use the same thing to drain your water heaters. So for now, thank you for watching and stay safe. Peace.